Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Keep your team organized and on track, because in this video, we will show you how to easily assign tasks in Trello and manage your workflow effectively. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, the first thing that you will have to do, of course, is to open your Trello account. Once you have done that, well, it's pretty easy from there. Let's make sure to go to your workspace and open your workspace. And here you will find all your boards. Simply, all you need to do first is choose either to invite members first. So to assign people to any kind of task, you have to first of all invite these people to your board or basically to your workspace. So the difference between inviting people to workspace or board will basically a workspace has multiple boards. So when you invite someone to your workspace, then they will have the access to all of the boards that are included within the workspace. Now, if you invited someone inside the board, then they will not have the access to the workspace boards. They will only have the access to the specific board. So this is how you can do it anyway. The first is by inviting them to the workspace. Go to your workspace, as you can see through here, and click on your workspace. Then click on members, and here you will be able to find this page. You can either invite them by clicking on invite workspace members like that, and then you can type here their name or basically their email address, or simply by creating an invite with a link. This invite link will be available for you, so you can have the link wherever you go and invite people just using this link without having to ask them for their email, etc. You simply have to give the link and they will be invited. So anyone with an invite link can join this free workspace. You can also disable and create a new link for this workspace at any time. Pending invitations count toward the 10 collaborator limit. So as you can see here. Now I have this second account of mine here, so I don't really have to invite anyone. I'm gonna go to boards and I'm going to go to one of my boards. Let's go to task management, for example. I'm going to click on it and open it. Then this board will be open with all of these tasks and lists. So here I have, for example, task of, let's say, making a website. So making a website itself is simply a task that requires multiple people, for example, in a company. Someone who basically will develop the back end, the front end, and basically someone who will make the arts and basically a lot of things like the data, maintenance servers, a lot of things. So in that specific area, after you click on the task itself, so here we have a list which is full with tasks. Here I'm going to click on it and basically I'm going to add to cart right here members. So just like that, I can add workspace members, and as you can see, here they are. When I go to making a website, I will find their icon right here. So they are the one basically having like the responsibility above this task. So they are the one who are going to be basically working on it. In case you would like to remove them, you simply have to click right here and basically remove from cart. This is very important. For example, here suggested you can even join, as you can see, in case you would like to join with them. Here, watching, stop watching card, watching, for example. Here you can see description. You can add description. Here, the card members, basically, they can write a comment so they can communicate between them. They can also have a couple of editing things. Let me just open my other account so you can see exactly how it looks from the other side. So here it is. I'm gonna click on it and here we are. So let's accept all the cookies and here I am. So yeah, this is how it looks like from my side, from the other side of the other accounts. So I can still be able to move things around. Now this is very important. Why I can't do that? Well, basically because I invited myself to the workspace and I didn't specify the permissions and the rules. Now to specify these things, you will have to go to share, and from share you have to go and click on the member that you want to limit the rules on and basically make him as a observer. Now the observer will give you a lot of things like give you like the possibility to give specific permissions to the person, so you can ignore like the admin thing, like for example, for now I have basically the same possibility as my main account. I can move these around, I can delete things, I can add a new list, but what I really want to do is basically just to have the access to some specific things, which for now I can't because I don't have the premium version, which eventually you can get it by simply upgrading your plan. As you can see here, let me just upgrade, start free trial, explore plans, and as you can see, there's the premium, there's the standard. Currently they are not showing the prices for some reason. That's very weird. I would like to know how much I'm gonna pay before I get to the payment. Yeah, this is very weird. But anyway, I think they customize the price depending on how much you use the platform, something like that. Anyway, so this is how exactly you can assign people to the simple tasks. So this is very easy, guys, very simple, nothing complicated about it at all. Now for the list itself, when it comes to the list, well, itself you cannot really like add someone to it. So as you can see here, you cannot really add someone. Like there is only these options, which really does not allow you. You could watch it, you could like move all cards to somewhere else, you can sort, but really adding someone to this list, no. But task, yes, task you can like 100% you can assign people to it, and you can manage them, so you can kick them, you can do a lot of things with them. So yeah, that was pretty easy, guys, nothing complicated about it at all. Let me just explain it to you again. Let me just do a quick recap so you can understand it fully, and so you don't have any mistakes when you do it yourselves. So first of all, go to your workspace and invite someone, or basically go to your board and invite someone. This person is the person who you are going to assign the task to. So here I'm going to open, for example, this board, and here I have a lot of text. So let me just go, for example, to coding. I want someone to code the character movement. So I'm going to click on it, and basically I'm going to go to add to card members. Click right there and invite the person that you want them to be having the access to the specific card. Now, even though this person is not really having the full control whatsoever, but with the free version he will 100% have the full control. So make that in your mind. He can delete and remove things, so put that in your brain. In case you would like him to stop, then get the premium version so you can make him as an observer. And that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.